Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Worm Whisperer channel. Do you wish that you could talk to your wormy friends and ask them if they are happy or not? Well, I can't teach you how to do that. By the way, if you know anyone that can do that, please let me know in the comments. I would like to meet them. I can help you understand, using different methods, how to be able to tell if your worm friends are happy. Pretty cool, right? As always, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell for more wormy videos. As a hobbyist or professional worm farmer, you're tasked with ensuring your little compost makers, also known as worms or red wigglers, are happy and healthy. But you might ask yourself, how do I know if my composting worms are happy? Herein lies a fascinating journey into the lives of these humble, amazing composting creatures. Understanding compost worm behavior. Composting worms, like any living organisms, exhibit specific behaviors when they're happy and others when they're stressed or uncomfortable. Observing these behaviors will give you insight into their well-being. Active movement and exploration. Composting worms are exploratory creatures, especially in darkness. They tend to move actively within their compost pile, making tunnels and burrowing in search of food. When your worms are actively moving and appear vigorous, it's usually a good sign that they are happy. Successful reproduction. A happy composting worm is a prolific one. Worms reproduce when they're comfortable in their environment and have enough food. If you notice small lemon-shaped cocoons in your compost, this is a positive sign your worms are reproducing, indicating that they are happy and comfortable in your worm bin. Healthy appetite and waste production. Happy worms are hungry worms. They'll eat half their body weight in food each day, leaving behind worm castings, a polite term for worm droppings. This nutrient-rich compost is a sign of happy, healthy worms. Compost conditions. The living conditions of your composting worms play a crucial role in their happiness. Temperature and humidity. Worms thrive in moist environments and temperatures between 55 degrees Fahrenheit and 77 degrees Fahrenheit, or 13 degrees Celsius to 25 degrees Celsius. Regularly check the temperature and moisture levels of your composting bin to ensure they're within the optimal ranges. Food availability. A well-fed worm is a happy worm. Regularly add a mix of greens and brown organic waste to your compost bin. This could include fruit, vegetable scraps, coffee grounds, tea bags, eggshells, and shredded cardboard or paper. This list is not extensive, but this will definitely go a long way to help your worms to have a good supply of food. Acidity levels. Worms prefer a neutral to slightly acidic environment, a pH between 6 and 7. Too much citrus or onion waste can overly acidify the compost, leading to an unhappy worm bin. Regularly check your pH of your compost and adjust as needed if there are any issues. Observing changes and troubleshooting your worm bin. Keeping a keen eye on changes in your composting worm's behavior can help you catch problems early and keep your worms happy. If your worms are trying to escape en masse from your composting bin, this is a sign of discomfort and immediate action is necessary. Common issues include unfavorable temperatures, over or under feeding, or an overly acidic or dry environment in your worm bin. The importance of troubleshooting. Quickly troubleshoot the problem by checking the conditions of your worm bin and adjusting as necessary. This could mean adding or reducing food, moistening the compost, or adding garden lime to neutralize excess acidity. Understanding your composting worm's behavior, maintaining their habitat, and reacting quickly to problems are key to keeping them happy. After all, a happy worm is a productive worm. Happy composting, happy worm farming everyone, and I'll see you all in the next video.